Welcome. In front of me is a TP Link Neffos Y5L, and I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, we'll open up the settings app and go into sound. Let's see, sound and notifications right here. You can just tap on it. And from here you will find the Do Not Disturb right here. And you get to choose priority only allowances, which is the setting, what it allows, and right now it's set to alarms and events, but you can also add calls and messages. So when you tap on call, I tap on okay. So basically when you tap on messages, you get to choose what messages will get through, so contacts only, no one, and so on, and you can choose whichever one suits your need. And same goes for calls, like so. And then once you go also back, you can also choose automatic rules and set it up yourself, events, and if you choose add new rule, I'm gonna name it whatever, you can actually furthermore customize it to how it works. So from here you get to choose the start and end time, so I can just set it for, let's say, like right now, which incorrectly time at 20:30 time 39, okay, and whatever, it can be at 7, then priority only, so it will, now you can choose whatever you set previously on the other screen and how it will be affected. And once you're satisfied, you can just enable it right here as it is right now. Go back, and right now also appear the Do Not Disturb mode icon right here, so you know that it actually is enabled at the moment. And if you want to disable it, you actually go in there into the setting and flip the switch like so to disable it if you want it to not work at the specific time that you have set. And I should also add that you can choose the days that it's affected in, and right now it's in every day, but you can just select whichever one you don't like and make it work only in like specific days. So basically that's how you set the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.